Let me get past one. Sorry.
Go on, you get it.
Oh, Chris is gone.
Well done. Well done.
Can you do one for us? Thank you so much. With me. Yeah. So proud of you.